Hey guys, I'm Jerry from LelegacyCrafting. Today I'm going to show you a little teaser of how I'm going to change this foam katana into a Demon Slayer katana. So, let's get started. The first thing you're going to need is a foam katana. I bought this one off of Amazon for around $25. They look alright, and when it comes to conventions, they're convention safe. I'll leave a link in the description. The next thing you're going to need is a guard. I 3D modeled and printed this. I will also sell it on my Etsy site, so keep a lookout, as well as a sheath adapter. So, other than that, that's all you need to upgrade this sword. So you're going to notice you're going to have this foam guard when you first get the sword. Just cut it off, slice it off, and chuck it. Take the blade out, and that's all you need to do for the blade. So you're going to notice this foam adapter on the sheath. You're not going to need this part, so just take it off and chuck it. Now, going on to the guard, I 3D modeled and 3D printed this. So this is Tenjiro's guard. So it fits exactly for the blade, and you're just going to take the blade and slide it on through. So it should slide all the way down to the base of the blade right there. However, you're going to see right here, it's a little bit raised. So you're going to need to apply a little bit of force to get it down and wedge it through. So that's what I'm going to do right now. You're going to have to just put it down on a table and wedge it down until it gets flush with the handle. And there you go. You got the blade. Oh, and one last thing. For this handle, I plan to take this whole handle off and make my own handle. So in the manga and the anime, their handles are very intricate, so I want to be able to do that. So later on, this is just the beginning steps of changing this, but you'll be able to change it. So moving on to the sheath, you're going to notice that on the sheath, you're going to need a new adapter. So I 3D printed one, and you're just going to take it. And you're going to notice on an adapter, there's like a polygon side right here. That's going to be for the sword. And then there's a whole smooth side on the other side. That's for the sheath. So that's how you know which part fits where. So you're going to take that smoother side and just put it onto the sheath. Should fit perfectly. And that's about it. From there, you're just going to take your sword and put it in the sheath. And it should fit just like that. Shouldn't come out and should be very snug. So there you go. Tenjiro's sword for now. Plan to change the handle, but this is just a quick look at what I'm doing. Oh, and a little surprise I have. These are the other guards I'm working on. So as you can see, I got some of the pillars guards and some other characters, but I plan to make everyone's guard. But here's just a quick look at the guards I have right now. Anyway, that concludes the video. I plan to keep on upgrading the swords, mainly the handles from now on. And then you'll see me painting the other ones, and whenever they're done, I'll post a video. Other than that, you can follow me on my social media at LelegacyCrafting. All the links, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, are in the description below. You can also check out my Etsy site where I sell a bunch of other props. So just check that out, keep a lookout, and yeah, leave a like, share this video, and help me make more videos, I guess. Thank you.